97% of mortgage lenders are not digitized. In a country that is expected to house over 400 million people by 2050 and 1 billion people by the end of the century, accessibility to home financing in Nigeria and much of Africa should be a click away. Unfortunately, Africa's reality is different. Home ownership rates in many large African markets are well below 10% compared to 62% in developed markets. Africa's homeownership rates will likely remain unchanged if left unaddressed, as real estate prices are poised to go up, leaving many Africans wondering how they are to build wealth if they cannot get on the housing ladder. But homeownership shouldn't be this out of reach due to lack of digitization. The exponential rise of neobanks in Africa over the last few years coincides with an increased opportunity to digitize financial products, including mortgages. Traditional banks are now racing to digitize their product offerings in response to neobanks, creating a massive opportunity for Bongalow to provide a platform that enables all to plug in and instantly launch digital mortgage solutions. We're on a mission to make mortgages radically accessible in Africa by digitizing the home financing value chain. We embed our mortgage solution in traditional banks, neobanks, as well as in the arms of real estate agents and brokers. Without tools, traditional mortgage banks can increase their reach and originate faster by instantly going digital. Neobanks can expand their product offering, diversify their revenue base, and reach high-income depositors seeking mortgages. Real estate agents and brokers can sell and earn more by leveraging our mortgage platform to pre-qualify and send leads to partner banks who in turn use our technology to originate faster. Bongalow is an embedded home financing solution seeking to reverse the lack of digitization that has made homeownership inaccessible on the continent. We've signed agreements with 2 mortgage lenders and are deploying and embedding our mortgage solution in these banks. Once deployed, we will give over 8 million banking customers a chance at home ownership. Outside of these efforts to digitize home financing within banks, we have empowered over 300 real estate agents and brokers with our mortgage solution and are aggressively onboarding many more. Our partner agents send an average of 3 leads a month, further strengthening our value proposition to mortgage lenders as a provider of automation and lead generation services. Our business model is based on charging up to 1% of the mortgage value at transaction close and require an annual servicing fee of up to $24,000 from each lender. For customers sent via our agent network, we make 3% of the mortgage value at transaction close and share 50% of these proceeds with our partner agents. Our beachhead launch market of Lagos, Nigeria represents a mortgage origination opportunity of $175 billion alone, with many other emerging market cities in sight. To seize this opportunity, our team has spent the last 2 years brokering mortgages and deeply interfacing with lenders and consumers alike. We have 2 years of experience building high-quality software solutions in Canada with companies such as BlackBerry and CoinSquare, and are passionate about solving some of Africa's most pressing needs. Our vision is to establish the largest platform for processing and brokering long-term consumer loans in Africa. Join us today in making home financing radically accessible and giving every African the opportunity to build wealth through homeownership.